Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So on our number system, this time we are looking at multiplication and division of numbers in standard form. This is an interesting one. So an example, we have 0.0048 times 0.81 all divided by 0.0027 times 0.004. Now our first task over here is to make sure we are going to change each and every decimal here to a whole number using the idea of standard form. And what it means is that all will be multiplied by a power of 10. So for 48, we moved 4 times to the right, and moving from left to right is going to give us a negative power. So it's going to be 48 times 10 to the power negative 4. Likewise, 81 moving twice, 81 times 10 to the power negative 2. 27 times 10 to the power negative 4. Then for 4, we move thrice, so 4 times 10 to the power negative 4. After doing this, we cancel out. 27 goes into 81 thrice, then 4 goes into 48 12 times. So this gives us 12 times 3, and also we can cancel out 10 to the power negative 4 up and down. So we are going to be left with 12 times 3 times 10 to the power negative 2 all over 1 times 10 to the power negative 3. And this gives us 36 times 10 to the power negative 2 all over 1 times 10 to the power negative 3. And because we are dividing, we can say that we have 36 times 10 to the power negative 2 divided by 10 to the power negative 3. And from indices, we say that if they have the same base and they are dividing, we subtract the powers. So giving us 36 times 10 to the power negative 2 minus negative 3. And this gives us 36 times 10 to the power 1. That is negative 2, then with negative times negative giving us positive. So we have negative 2 plus 3 giving us 1. Then we have to change to the standard form. So changing to standard form, the point is behind 6. So moving ones to the left, that is going to give us a positive power of 1. So we are going to have 3.6 times 10 to the power 1 times our normal 10 to the power 1, which is available. Then our answer in standard form is going to be 3.6 times 10 to the power 2, which is going to be 10 to the power 1 plus 1 because they are multiplied. Now next question, we have 0.0125 times 0.00576 over 0.32 times 0.0015. What we are going to do over here is that we are going to change all of them to whole numbers multiplied by powers of numbers. And it's going to give us 125 times 10 to the power negative 4 because we move 4 times to the right. So it follows through to 15 times 10 to the power negative 4. That is changing all to whole numbers multiplied by powers of numbers. Then we cancel out. So cancelling out, 3 goes into 15 3 times. It goes into 125. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Then 5 goes into 125 25 times. Then for 5, 7, 6, and 32 goes there 18 times. Now we can see 10 to the power negative 4 up. You can see 10 to the power negative 4 down there. So we cancel those ones out. Then we are left with 25 times 18 times 10 to the power negative 5 all over 3 times 10 to the power negative 2 down. But we can still see that 18 and 3 can cancel out. So we cancel 3 into itself 1 and goes into 18 6 times. Our answer now becomes 25 times 6 times 10 to the power negative 5 all over 1 times 10 to the power negative 2. Now this gives us 150 times 10 to the power negative 5 now divided by 10 to the power negative 2, giving us 150 times 10 to the power negative 2 because they are dividing minus negative 2. Now this gives us 150 times 10 to the power negative 3, which is coming from negative 5 plus 2. Now changing to the standard form, our point is after the 0. So we are going to move twice to the left, which is moving in between our first to the significant figures. So that's going to give us 1.5 times 10 to the power positive 2, that is moving from right to left, which is positive, then times 10 to the power negative 3, of which we have already. Then simplifying it, because they are multiplying, we are going to have 10 to the power 2 plus negative 3, and that is going to give us 1.5 times 10 to the power negative 1, and that is in standard form if you are required to do so. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Also put on notification so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. See you in our next video. Bye bye.